Okay, to get us started, here are the things that we need. First, you need this scrapbook paper, or if you have wrapping paper or any kind of paper that you like the print on, you can use that. As for me, I don't have scrapbook paper, so what I did, I went to Google, I searched for free vector patterns that I can use, and there's a lot of things that you can see in Google. Just make sure to get the ones that are free. So I came up with this pattern because for me it looks cute and nice. Next, we need this paper, and this will serve as our paper for our heart later. Next, we need this heart-shaped pattern. It's just any random cardboard that you can cut in a heart shape that will fit this size, and we will use it later as our template. Next, we also need this magic tape, pair of scissors, and this one for our trims later. We will use this to secure our pop-up card. So for our paper, we would first fold it into half. This is like a chopsticks, and normally I use this to tie my hair up, but since now I need something to make a sharp crease, I'll be using this. Okay, next, we are going to fold it again into half. Next, you want to open your paper, and then on one side, let's start off with the right, we are going to make a triangle. So just make sure that the line here on top is aligned here at the bottom. Once it's straight, crease it in. Then close it, and then do the same on the left side. You want to gently handle your paper so as to avoid random crumples, unnecessary ones. Then open. So now you have two flaps, one on each side. So what you're gonna do, for the right side, you're going to fold it in, and then make sure the edge here is also aligned again on the center line. After which, you're gonna flip your paper and then repeat the steps. Okay. After you're done, this one on top of the triangle, we are going to fold it in. Make sure the tip here of the triangle reaches the vertex here nicely. Now this would be harder to fold as the paper is thicker already, so you would want to use something that would really make a sharp crease. This is very important for this part because this part will determine our line later for the box. Here. Open it up, flip it over, then do it again. For our bottom flap here, you are just going to fold it upwards. Flip your paper, then do the same again. So this is just normally easy to do. As you can see, the steps are almost same. You just need to flip your paper here and there. So when you're done, we are now ready to unfold our paper to make a box out of it. Remember to just gently unfold it, gently open it, and you can see that our pre-existing crease here serves as our guide. That's why it's important to really flatten the fold using something that would really make a sharp crease. So we have a box right now. And this would actually be cooler if you have print inside also. But what I did, I just printed it out on one side of the paper. So you can have a box like this wherein you can use it to store anything you want, or just put it somewhere on your desk, but right now we're going to take it one step further and we're going to make a pop-up card. So here on top, we are going to push it gently. And then we are going to make a nice fold so that our paper would collapse like this. Now you want to make sure that you follow the line here, the crease here, the line, so that you don't make any unnecessary fold. Stuck it in. So right now we have this folded box. So this is like our pop-up card for later. Now let's set this aside and we're going to do our heart. For our template, you just place it on top. Get a pencil. I would normally like to use a sharp pencil so that you can trace it in a precise way. So now you have the pattern. We're going to cut it using a pair of scissors. There we go, we have a heart-shaped pattern already. This is a construction type paper. Since I'm using this, it's a bit thin and flimsy. That's why I want to paste it here on my template so as to make it sturdy, because the back part is cardboard. But if you're using a hard paper or a thicker paper, then no need to do this. So now we have this heart, and we're going to divide it into two, because ideally we are going to put this on top. So we need to follow the line here and sort of like divide it into two. So now we have our heart here. And you can see there's a flap part here, more like an excess part. So what we're gonna do before pasting the heart, we're going to fold this in. So now when we paste the heart, it would look like this. So when you open it, it's going to be like this. But it's not yet done. Our final stage, we're going to make use of our trims and to make it just more presentable. So at the front, we are just going to tie it up and make a good looking ribbon. We have our ribbon here already. So you can just put a small card here, sort of like a tag. Sometimes if you want to give it to someone, you know, the card that says to and from, and you can write greetings here, or you can decorate it some more. And basically this is it.